Hello, welcome to the weekend edition of CNY Weathertainment. I'm meteorologist Jeff Matthews. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Say the magic word, you can win $100. That's not true. That was true for Groucho back in the 1960s with a show called You Bet Your Life, which I would gladly do, by the way. But not in this case. But you can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Tumblr at CNY Jeff Matthews. Also, Tumblr is being embedded into this news and events block on the homepage of the website. That'll tell you what's coming for the fall foliage report when it's going away this weekend. It's a big deal. Meanwhile, tune in Sunday night. Here's how you can do it. Download that app, Livestream. It's free on your cell and on your desktop, so you can watch it either way. It's free. You search and follow Jeff Matthews, and the fun begins. What fun? Well, in Sunday night's case, you get the forecast, but then you also get the winter weather outlook. How about that? Every year people ask me. It's the only season they ask me about. Sometimes I get, is it going to be a hot summer? But basically, I always get winter. Is it going to be cold? Going to be snowing? Going to be not snowing? What's it going to be? Sunday night, right after the 5:55 forecast, we go right into the winter weather outlook. Meanwhile, how about this for a start to November? About average for your Saturday, but Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, it ramps into the mid to upper 60s. How about them apples? Meanwhile, I've been telling you for the last 9 days that Halloween looks mild and dry. How about that forecast? If it turns out mild and dry, you got to shake your head and say, how does this guy know 9 and 10 days away when other people can't get it right for tomorrow? Rain early Sunday until midday, like after midnight Saturday night until midday Sunday. And as I said, a much warmer start to November than you might have guessed. The radar is quiet for the state of New York right now. High pressure to our south, causing the sunshine to linger this morning, but the clouds are going to be increasing late morning and afternoon, and then after midnight tonight, the rain clouds move in with a storm that's going to be moving through to our west, which is wet, not white. We can take a look at the broader picture of this. This high that's moving in, kind of a dirty high. Not dirty that way, but dirty as in it's not totally clean because it has these lake effect clouds that it has to dissipate. Plus, if you look carefully, those are high, thin cirrus clouds, like mare's tails, that it's grabbing and pulling over top of itself like a little blanket. That's because of a couple of storms that are coming together. One across Mexico and Texas, another one in the Colorado cubbyhole. And they're coalescing moisture. There's the tail end of the cold front. You can see that bumping into it, causing that's going to be the drying coming in midday Sunday. But before we get there, Saturday night after midnight into Sunday morning, that's going to all slide north and eastwards and bring us some periods of rain overnight into Sunday midday. How about that almanac? He said 48 and 40. It was 48 and 43. How does he do it? Is it the voodoo? I don't know. That's my best guess. Your forecast is up next.
Next Saturday night, we're sending you back to the future. Do you know what this means? It means that this damn thing doesn't work at all. Marty! You've got to come back with me. Where? Back to the future.
Weekend weather forecast begins with Saturday, a sunny start, but then increasing clouds late morning and afternoon, wind not a factor, and a high around 51, which is seasonable, which is reasonable. Saturday night, rain after midnight. Quiet for the trick-or-treaters, quiet if you're going out for the evening. After midnight, the rain begins, a low of 42, so not quite so cold. 58 for Sunday, continues to warm up with rain in the morning, and then partial clearing in the afternoon. Don't forget the clocks, they go back. And then look at the stretch of weather for Monday, partly sunny, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, mostly sunny days, and the thermometer climbing through the 60s for the first week of November. Wow! That's a forecast. Spread the gospel of CNY Weathertainment, and I'll see you Sunday night at 5:55, triple nickels. Have a great weekend.